In the calm backwaters of Alleppey, healing happens the way nature intended. At Nature Life International, thousands have found relief from chronic lifestyle diseases naturally. Diabetes, hypertension, obesity, arthritis, asthma, stress, cancer, skin diseases, people have regained health without medicines. Through Nature Life, food becomes medicine, and lifestyle becomes the cure. Here, every sunrise, every breath, every meal, part of your journey back to health. Float away from stress, reconnect with yourself and with nature. Nature Life International, Kainakary, Alleppey, where real people find real healing.